In the tutorial on relays, the author emphasizes their importance in controlling high-voltage devices, particularly in home automation projects. Relays serve as electromagnetic switches, enabling low-voltage circuits to manage larger currents safely, which is crucial for various applications, including home appliances and industrial machinery. The tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of relays, covering their functions, applications, and operational principles. At the heart of a relay is an electromagnet. When current flows through its coil, it generates a magnetic field that activates a lever arm, thereby opening or closing electrical contacts. This mechanism allows relays to either interrupt or facilitate the flow of electricity within a circuit. The tutorial includes a hands-on project to reinforce the learning experience, ensuring that participants gain practical knowledge on how to use relays effectively and safely in their electronic projects. By the conclusion, readers will have a solid grasp of key relay parameters and their practical applications.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.